Hello guys, so today is my father's birthday. Happy birthday, Papa. Happy ako kasi nakausap ko siya. Akala ko nung tumawag ako sa Philippines ay natutulog na siya. But then, sabi nung ate ko nanonood siya ng TV, nanonood siya ng PBA. So happy ako at nakausap ko si Papa during this time. Sobrang happy lang ako that I was able to greet him on his birthday. Then, naglalakad na ako niyan pa uwi. I was having a conversation with him. It's a quite very long conversation and I'm so happy I was able to talk to him. Medyo inaantok na nga ako niya kasi pauwi na ako galing work. And along the way, sabi ko kay Papa na papakita ko sa kanya kung saan ako nag-work. So, yun yung mga conversation namin during this time. Tapos nag-aasaran pa kami. Sabi ko, ito yung workplace na kung saan ako nag-work. Tapos ayan, tinuturo-turo ko kung saan ako nag-work. Sobrang happy ko during this time kasi I realized how hardworking yung parents na meron ako. Sobrang proud ako sa kanila because they made everything for us. They sacrificed a lot for us. So sobrang happy ako that I was experiencing a lot of things right now. And it's all because of their hard work, their patience, their love and understanding sa akin. So sobrang happy ako sa mga na-experience ko. And I'm thankful for the Lord for giving me such a wonderful parents. Wala lang, medyo nasenti lang ako during the time na nagkakaroon kami ng conversation ni Papa. Because I want them to experience kung ano yung na-experience ko ngayon. Yung blessings, yung favor ni Lord. And who would have thought that I'll be staying, or should I say nakatagal ako dito sa abroad, knowing that I don't have any plans of working here to be honest, but then they are the one who push me siguro in order for me to improve, in order for me to be matured. So sobrang happy ako na I was able to experience a lot of things, syempre through the help of my families. So ayun, pinapakita ko sa Papa ko yung mga view. Si Mama kasi akala ko natutulog na, but then di pa pala din siya natutulog. Pero sobra akong happy na may mga ganitong pagkakataon ako na nakapagkwento kay Papa, nakapag-usap kami. Because in the Philippines, we're not like this before. But then, I realized that I should cherish every moment na pwede ko silang makausap and makipagbigay ako ng time sa kanila. Because most of the time, ako lang yung nandito. So, sobrang happy ako that I was able to make a very meaningful na conversation with him, telling him all the things that I've experienced for this day lang. So, sobrang happy ako. And kasama ni Papa si ate. Si ate who's now staying in the Philippines. Ayun, so sobrang happy ako kasi ganito yung life na meron ako ngayon na I really owe it to them. So nakakasenti pero sobrang happy. So ayun nga, sabi ko kay Papa na pauwi na ako. Na papunta ko ng bus station or bus stop para pauwi. So sabi ko kay Papa, sasakay lang ako ng bus kasi tinatanong niya ako kung paano yung modes of transportation ko. Sabi ko, nagbabas lang ako. Or sometimes nagta-taxi going to work. So, ayun, while waiting, sabi ko kay Papa, napakita ko sa kanya yung bus dito. So, yun yung bus na ito. Tagal. Ayan. So, pinapakita ko kay Papa yung bus na sasakyan ko going home. Tapos, tinatanong ko ni Papa kung ilang minutes yung travel ko going home. Sabi ko, nasa 25 minutes. Around 20 to 25 minutes yung travel. So, inakita ko rin sa kanila kung paano nag-work yung dito. Tapos, ayun nga, bus station. Tapos, nag-tap lang ako. Tapos, yun, naupo na. Tapos, yun na. Sobrang happy ako ngayon kasi na I was able to show them kung paano ako nagbabiyahe pa uwi. And sobrang happy ako kasi kasama na sila yung reason bakit ako nag-stay bakit ako nagko-continue to motivate myself. So, I just want to greet my father happy birthday and I love you, and including all my families. Wow! Ganun talaga yon.
Open heart. No delay and no regret. This is all the time